Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gorgofex C. This powerful wonder weapon upgrade is a key item on the Reckoning map in Black Ops 6 Zombies. We'll walk through the precise steps to unlock this blue variant, which involves a specific storyline choice. Getting the Gorgofex C requires completing several distinct objectives, so let's dive into the details and ensure you're ready for the challenge. Before you can upgrade, you must first acquire the base Gorgofex wonder weapon. Start by restoring power to the particle accelerator and unlocking Pack-a-Punch. Then, head to the T1 Mutant Research Lab and find 2 monitors displaying static. Note the first letter of each word that appears. Use these letters to identify an element on the nearby periodic table, taking its 3-digit atomic number. Input this number into the keypad to open the bioweapons lab. Inside, feed 3 vermin and 3 regular zombies to the cyst. Next, drain energy from 3 dark ether fungi in the quantum computing area. Finally, defeat the Forsaken boss, and the Gorgofex will be yours. With the base Gorgofex in hand, it's time to initiate the C upgrade path. First, proceed to the T1 Executive Suite and interact with Blanchard to start this specific questline. Next, head back to the T1 Project Janus reception area and locate a red button on a console. Press it. This action will summon a friendly maintenance Klaus unit. Your crucial task is to defend Klaus from incoming zombies until its hacking process is complete, which will disable one of the quantum computing core elevators. To finalize your Gorgofex C upgrade, navigate to the now disabled quantum computing core elevator shaft. Carefully glide down, ensuring you activate all 3 red buttons you encounter during your descent. Once in the T1 quantum computing core, you will find zombies with a distinct blue aura. Eliminate these specifically using your Gorgofex. After defeating enough, Panos will appear as an apparition. Interact with him to absorb his essence into your weapon, completing the transformation. Congratulations, you now possess the powerful Gorgofex C, ready to be Pack-a-Punched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.